Um, this is Smart Kid Rich Kid channel once again, and I want to bring our attention to something so far as Binance future is concerned. Today, what I'm going to talk about is how to set your profit and stop loss target before entry into a trade. You know, for Binance, a lot of people don't know how to go about it, how to set their, how to calculate their loss. You get it? And you know, in this business, if you don't know your loss, then I don't know what you are really up to. So, how to Today we are going to talk about how to set your stop loss and how to use the leverage. If you look up here, this is the leverage over there, how you are going to use it, and then you must know the account size you have and how to use this leverage. That is what we are going to be talking about today. For the purpose of this video, I am going to be showing you certain things, how to make all these calculations. So the things you need is your Binance account, just like what is opened over here. Then you also get your trading view as well. Your trading view as well. This is a very perfect what is it called? Combinations that we are going to use today to calculate our stop loss and then take profit. This thing has been a worry to a lot of people. Even myself, I have struggled a lot of times with this thing, but today I have found it out, and I think it will be right to share it with you. That is the reason why I am doing what I'm doing right now, so that I can share with you everything that is here. So without much time being wasted, let's just jump straight into the video and start showing you what it is. So what do? We go to the to what is it called? To the graph. So you open here and you see a trade and you want to take it. I'm currently trading this pair, and that is a Panda. I'm currently trading Panda right now, and it's going very well. So if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and then get into the comment section of this video below and tell me what you want me to do, and I am going to help you. So if you are over here and you want to take a trade, so I spot this double top and I want to take a trade with this double top. So what do? I need to go on to my trading view and then take my calculator and calculate my risks to reward ratio before I can jump into this what is it called, into this beautiful trading system. So you could see that if I click on buy over here, if I click on buy or sell over here, it takes me straight down to what is it called, to where we just came from. So if you want to take a trade here and you don't even know anything about this at all, you let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to help you through it. So we are going to take a trade right now, you know. So how much? Let's say I have this $46 over here and I want to use to take a trade. So how much money am I willing to risk in the market? How much money am I willing to risk? So I have 25% here, I have 50% here, I have 75% of this money over here. You get it? So that is how it works. So which one am I going to use? So if I click on what is it called, 50%, you see it's going to take 50%. That is $23 out of what is currently over here. So let's just go on and see how we can calculate before entry into the market. If you don't do these calculations and you enter into the market, you are going to blow your money. So let's go to the trading view. Come with me to the trading view. All right, so if you are still here, congratulations. So let's say we see this wonderful double top over here on the 4H, as you can see on the 4H chart for today. And then this beautiful neckline has been broken. And as you can see, there was a retracement, there was a retracement into the broken line, and then we want to take this trade. We want to take this trade. So what do? How do we know how much we are willing to risk? How much are we willing to risk, and how do we calculate our stop loss and stuff like that? So I entered this trade exactly around what is it called? exactly around 0.6, I think 0.62 something, yeah, something somewhere like this. Exactly here I enter the market, or I think so. So I entered the market over here because of my what is it called, because I know what I'm doing, because of my system tells me to enter the trade over here right now. So what do I do? How did I calculate my risk? Why did I use the 20x? Because of the money I was having, and then I entered the market. So now look at this. So let's say you enter the market on this. Where do you put your stop loss? For me, because of my system, my stop loss is right on top of this high, right on top of this height. I'm not ashamed at all. You know, this market is imperfect, and you can lose money and you can gain money. So you should always be ready to lose the money. Yeah. So how much are you willing to lose? That is what you must be willing. That is what you must have in mind first before taking this trade. So okay, so let's say right now you just, for the sake of those who are seeing this video right now and want to enter this market, let's say okay, this market right now, you enter the market right here on this current entry side. So what will be your stop loss? Your stop loss is right here. If you don't know how to use this tool, you are not going to make it. And then what will be your target? You know, for double top, we already have a target plan for double top. So I just calculate from the middle point over there right here to the neckline, and then I pick that trend line and put it right there at the neckline to the base. You get it? So my profit should be somewhere around here exactly. So I don't put it exactly on it, so you get it. And over here there is one thing over here too, over here. So as you can see, this support over here, or this market liquidity area, so that will be my take profit. As you can see, that will be my take profit. And what am I gaining so far? What am I gaining? So with this, you can see that let me bring it this way so that you can see what you are gaining and what you are losing. So when I put this is a 2.47 reward ratio, and then my stop loss is 2%. You get it? 2%, 2.67%. And then I'm making, that is 163 pips. You get it? 2 points. And then for 2.67%, I am making 6% profit. 6% profit. So how then do I calculate this? That is when I'm going to go to the calculator. You know, don't forget what it is. So you take your 2.67%, and then your profit margin also is what? 6.660%. I am going to be doing this thing in the next live what is it called, trade that I'm going to take, so that you know exactly what I mean by all these things that I'm saying. So this tool over here helps you to get your calculated risk and before you enter into the market. So with that much being said, let's go to our calculator and see how we can do that. Welcome over here. So this is our calculator. So let's say I have $46 dollars in my account, which whatever it is that you have. I'm going to be using this as an example. So $46 in account, and I want to trade with 50% of this money. 50% of this money means that I'm going to divide this money by 2. That is $23. That is what I want to put into the market. That is what I'm really I want to use in the trading, because this is, you know, risky. So this is what I want to use. Now with this 23 dollars that I'm putting into the market, I have a stop loss, a reasonable stop loss at 2.67%. You get it? So what do I do? So now that I have these, what do I, and I'm putting my stop loss at 2.67. What uh what leverage are you willing to use? Is it 20x or 10x? So if you are using 20x, that is your money. This is what you are willing to, this is what you are going to be losing. You are going to be losing 53% of the $23. You are going to be losing 53.4% of the $23. So let's say that. Let's see it and say, so 23 times 50, what is it called? 23 times 53.4%. So you are going to be losing $12.28. Are you okay with that? $12.28. That is what you'll be losing if in case the trade goes against you. You see, we are here to make money, not to waste money. That is why you need to know what you really want. Now let's do the opposite side. You know, we have 6.6 60%. That is for profit. So what do we go? We have 6.6 times 20x. Is that okay? That means that if you take this trade and it goes in your favor, you are going to be having 133%. 133%. You can go and then back test it for yourself. This is real. This is real. So you know all these things before you go into the market. But I know you are going to be very happy about the profit and forget about the loss. That is why I'm going to be stressing on the loss so that you grow your money little by little by little. It's a challenge I'm just taking from $10 to, above $200 or to whatever. That is what I'm doing right now. So I am, without knowing these things, you are not going to be able to make any profit. So that is it. You are going to make 32% of your $23 132%, and that is $30. That is what you are going to make in case the trade goes well for you. That is what you are going to make. But if it doesn't go well for you, you are going to lose your $12. That is why it is very, very key that you know how to use leverage. The leverage is the key over here. So what do? Maybe you can just bring it on the same trade, but let's cut our losses. You get it? Maybe we can just play around with, the 46. We want to lose the $6 on the 46. So what do? We still divide it. We still use 50%, which is the 20%, but this time around we use 10 leverage. Let's try the 10 leverages and see. So we have our stop loss to be 2.67%. This will be multiplying the 10%. You get this? This will be multiplying what is it called? The 10%. So if we use this to multiply 10x. If we use this to multiply our 10x, it means that we are only going to lose 26.7% of our capital, of the capital in the market. So let's try it and see. 23 times 26.7%. That means we are losing 6. You see the money has reduced. We are losing only 6% instead of losing the $12. We are losing only $6 instead of losing the $12. Now let's calculate the profit as well. The profit as well is going to also reduce drastically, but this is very, very much more affordable than losing it all. So if you have the 20x, you want to use the 20x, this is what you're going to do. You calculate it, and if you're comfortable with the loss, fine. But if you're not comfortable with the loss, please reduce your your leverage. Reduce the leverage, because the leverage is going to help you. So you can just try it and try it and try it and see. You get it? You can just try it and see what is going to give you. So after that, you can just go into the Binance and key in and see if it is exactly what you are going to be losing or what you are going to be gaining. So, in Binance, you can't do these things over there unless you enter the trade before you start calculating for your stop loss, which is not good. That is the reason why I am giving you this. So thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you share this video so that it gets to friends and loved ones who are struggling to come up with this kind of things. Thank you so much. It's a bye for now.